Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I'm going to show you how to remove payment methods like credit card and debit card details from your Paytm application. So nowadays lots of people are using this Paytm service for purchasing and other online services. So at that time most of the users are add their credit card and debit card details to this Paytm application because they think if we add these details in future purchase is very simple, but it is okay. Otherwise, if you feel my card details are not safe, just follow me friends. Now I guide you to remove your credit card and debit card details from this Paytm. So how to do it? So let's get started. So first of all open your Paytm application in your Android mobile or iOS device, and this method common for all mobile devices like Android and iOS, and also complete your login or sign up processes. Now in this home page section, you can press that horizontal 3 lines icon, and it is placed at almost top of left side corner, and then one sliding window is opening. So here you can scroll down and then go to my payment settings. So just click to open it. Now once again it shows some options, but you can go to settings and the first one. So finally here you can see, so it shows my own credit card details. So if you add more than one credit card informations, in bottom it shows all your credit card numbers, but how to remove it? So just press on your card number and then slide it from right side to left side, and then it shows delete option. So just select it, and then it asks for confirmation, so you can select yes, delete card. So finally here you can see my credit card information is successfully removed. So same way you can do this process by one. So this is the way you can easily remove your all credit card and debit card details from this Paytm. For more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.